Cracking is a defect that provokes an incorrect finish or lack of surface protection against external agents. This video shows its most common causes and how to correct this defect. Cracking, also known as CRAZING, is the partial or complete cracking of the repaired surface. This defect becomes visible especially during the inspection phase of the vehicle, after the finished paint has dried. The cracking appearing on the surface may have different widths and lengths, and may be arranged in different directions, resulting in an uneven and non-uniform surface. Let us look at some of the causes that lead to the appearance of cracking and their possible solution. It is important to ensure that the correct mixture and proportion of the paint is obtained, both of the filler, colour and clear coat. Always include the amount of thinner recommended by the manufacturer and follow the specifications provided in the technical datasheet. Changes in room temperature, whether in the booth or outdoors, and exposure to uncontrolled UV radiation can lead to the appearance of cracking in the paint. These temperature changes can cause the top coat of paint to dry too quickly compared to the coats below. Too thick a layer of paint, usually caused by incorrect product coating, can lead to cracking in the paint. Therefore, please follow the indications provided on the technical datasheet regarding coat thickness and drying times between coats. Once the part has dried, inspect and assess the size and scope of the damage. If the paint has cracks in the surface area, prepare the part to conduct the painting process from scratch. There is no possibility of previously polishing the surface. This is because in base coat finishes, this defect occurs in the intermediate coats. Use a roughing sandpaper. Sand the surface until the paint cracking is completely removed. Finally, clean the area with a degreaser and a cloth and apply filler coat and final top coat.